Yes, if you want to do my readiness assessments, they are not free, so they're part of my study program. So if you're inside of my study program, my study session, then you can get those free readiness assessments. My third semester. Awesome. Congratulations. Yes, you can email me, Cassidy. If you want to know more about my program, you can also schedule a free call with me. I do free 15-minute Zoom sessions. If you go to the link in my bio where it says book a call with me, you can just book a free 15-minute session if you want like a tour of the program, or if you want to go over your CPR exam and see how my program can help. Absolutely. Thank you for the roses, Fernando. I need help with EKG readings. Can I book a call with you? The best thing for you would be to watch my YouTube videos on EKG readings. And I also have a couple of TikToks about reading EKGs. It really is just exposure, getting exposed to the information, getting exposed to the EKG strips over and over, and then it'll start to stick.